This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 49 Demonstration-XIX. In this session, we explore Java networking classes and their utilization, accessing URL information, and facilitating client-server communication using sockets, including serving multiple clients concurrently and showcasing practical networking concepts and scenarios. We begin by introducing the URL class, which allows us to create objects and access details like protocol, host, port, and file. The URL connection class establishes a program to URL connection, although we may encounter issues due to HTTPS protocol restrictions, which we can overcome by using protocols allowed by the server. Next, we delve into the Happer connection class for the HTTP protocol, reading header information and handling connection failures. We also introduce the init address class for retrieving IP address information, reinforcing the concepts of URL, UA connection, per connection, and init address, setting the stage for the discussion on connection-oriented versus connectionless protocols. Moving on to the UDP protocol, we explore datagram communication where messages are sent and received without establishing a connection. The server creates a datagram socket on a port and waits for client requests, while the client creates a datagram socket, message content, and the server's init address. The datagram packet encapsulates the message and server address for the client to send data, as demonstrated by sending the message, "Welcome to NPTEL," from the client to the server. We then explore client-server communication using UDP for chatting, where the server listens, the client sends a message, the server responds, and the dialogue continues. With the TCP protocol, we establish connection-oriented communication using a server socket and client socket. The server accepts the client connection, creates a socket object, and reads the input stream, while the client creates a socket, sends an output stream with a message to the server port. Diving into concurrent server implementation, we witness a server responding to requests from multiple clients simultaneously. Clients send requests for information like date and time, and the server receives these requests and sends appropriate responses, showcasing concurrent program execution. Throughout these demonstrations, we gain practical experience in client-server networking in Java using sockets, handling URLs and connections with various protocols, exploring the UDP protocol for connectionless communication, establishing connection-oriented communication via TCP, and implementing concurrent servers to handle multiple clients. In summary, network in Java enables diverse applications across protocols, with UDP enabling connectionless communication via datagrams, TCP facilitating reliable connection-oriented communication, the init address class retrieving IP address information, and concurrent servers handling requests from multiple clients simultaneously, unlocking a wealth of networking possibilities. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.